Well, I realized something in my last coaching sessions that I've had over the last few weeks, and I really wanted to share it with you. I realized that a lot of entrepreneurs and the leaders of companies are stressed about the wrong things. And, I really wanted to see that we could learn from some of the questions and things that were being asked, right? Everybody has questions about email and funnels and ads. And honestly, the real answer is that anything that anybody was doing in 2024, last year, a couple months ago at this point that we're making this video, you don't need to be doing anymore that way. So, the tactics and activities of last year are last year's. And you definitely need to be doing something different this year. So what is that, right? So what doesn't work anymore this year is the old way of doing email, the old funnels with trying to lead people through a particular path with a lot of hoops that they need to go through. Social media posting every single day, trying to follow every guru's advice, those kind of things really don't work. So the overall advice is, not to stress about those things. But now you've got some new learnings to do. So what should you do this year, and what should you focus on? Well, AI is one of the things that has disrupted everything and marketing as well, and your activities. But so is social selling, right? So the whole conversations have been turned around, and the whole sales process is much shorter, much more personal, much more customized, and shorter. So we're not going to give away everything in just explaining this to you today, but we wanted to, at least introduce the concept that you should not worry about stressing about everything that's on your marketing to-do list, because it's probably different for right now. Your biggest focus is to focus on your customer and think what they need to hear and what they need to do in order to be able to learn more about your brand value and begin to do business with you. So I hope that this is good news, because basically the advice is that you will do less effort, you will do more focused effort, and hopefully you can stress less.